Yeah, they don't want this broken down until tomorrow, but I'm gonna today I'm gonna break down the ice maker. So I'm gonna start by removing that front panel. Just 4 screws holding in that front panel. That's a Cornelius ice maker. Then I gotta disconnect the water line back there and unplug it and then go from there. Then I'll bring my lift in and we'll remove it. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off that front panel, shut off the ice maker, and then go ahead and shut the water off under the counter, and then we can go from there. Okay, right now we got the front panel is off. Just gonna show you that this is the control box. Power panels right here. That's on position. That's the off position. Just another quick note, if you are working on these Cornelius ice makers, like this one, on the front panel, on the back of the front panel, they have the ice machine cleaning and sanitizing procedures right there on the machine, on the behind the front panel. Okay, right now I just want to show you, I shut off my water. My water line is right here, inlet line. I got my shut off right here, so I got that shut off now. So water shut off, so I can just disconnect right at this point and then unplug it as well. I'll have to search for the plug down below underneath the counter, and then I can disconnect the water inlet and then remove the ice maker. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna remove this, and then I'm gonna see if I can spin it and get it.
Lay it down?
Nah, I can't lay it. Yeah, the compressor will mess up on it. One second. Pull this out for now. As long as I can get here. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay.
Tray doesn't extend it off?
No. All right. So got it right here. Okay, got it, Bob?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna just come across.
I got you.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Fingers, man.
Okay, ready?
Yep. I'm gonna try to hold the finger.
Oh, you know what? You see that that turning, that piece where you can turn it? I just needed to come down a little bit, I think, just a little. Right there. That should be good. Okay, ready?
Yep. Oh, you.
All right.
I'm lower it down some.
Yeah, we can lower it down now. Woo, that's a workout.
Yeah, I think it was heavy.
Yeah.
Sure.
Jeez. That should be good. Then we can top it up. I've got gel. Yeah, you can lower it down now. We're clear. We're clear. Now you can see I got the ice maker off. I'm gonna go ahead and cover that hole for now because they still want it to stay in operation, so it'll kind of be a good thing because at least they could use up all that ice that's in there, hopefully, or most of it. But I'm gonna go ahead and cover that ice bin so nothing drops into it, and then we'll be back to remove that soda machine. I got that top part of the ice bin covered on the soda machine, so they could still use the soda machine, still has ice in the bin, and then later on I'll be removing the soda machine itself. But for right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and mark my syrup lines and my water lines, and then all of that'll be ready to go for the removal of the soda machine. But this was just the removal of the ice maker today. So thank you for watching.